Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your account on the Grubhub driver application. So let's get started right away. First of all, go ahead and open up the Grubhub for drivers application on your smartphone. And once you open up the application, you will be shown the main menu where you will find the log back in as well as sign up to deliver button. Now, in order to log into your existing account, simply tap on the log back in button and you will now be asked to enter your email address followed by your password. Go ahead and type in your email address that you used to sign up for your Grubhub drivers application account and then type in your account password. Then simply tap on the login button and then you will be logged into your account on the Grubhub for drivers application. In case you forgot your password, you can simply tap on the need a new password button and you will be taken to the further menu from which you can reset your credentials. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your account on the Grubhub for drivers application. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.